Hey guys, it's Kelly at Garden Discovery. I just wanted to share a few walks I took today with a friend. Whenever I'm in Ireland, I find so much inspiration from my garden. And I think whenever you travel, just make sure that you look around you and appreciate all the beauty that is wherever you are, and take it back with you in your heart and place it in your garden. Now just take a moment or two to watch the video, enjoy the serenity and the beautiful, lush life that is in Ireland, and enjoy. I hope you have a great day and a great week ahead of you. And remember, get out there and garden your hearts out and enjoy life. Bye-bye.